How do I remove all i386 architecture packages from my Debian installation? I added foreign architecture i386 to my Debian M64 installation. How do I remove it? When I try this command, dpkg remove architecture i386, I am told to first remove all i386 packages.
I am answering my own question after gathering important information from other blog posts. Show what foreign architectures are installed. Dpkg print foreign architectures might show i386. Review i386 packages on your system. dpkg-l, grep i386. Remove all i386 packages. apt-get purge.column i386 note, the purge keyword, instead of remove, removes all configuration files associated with the packages you're uninstalling. Thanks Bagayev. Now you can remove the i386 architecture. dpkg remove architecture i386.
I would use purge instead of remove. The purge keyword removes all configuration files associated with the packages you're uninstalling.